Hey guys, welcome back. OnePlus started rolling out another update for OnePlus 6 and this time it's for the stable channel. So basically this update is nothing but the compilation of all the features from Open Beta 3 to Open Beta 6, and if you check the update changelog, the new OS version is 9.0.2, update size is 354 MB, we have couple of changes for the system, and this update also includes the OnePlus 6T camera features like Nightscape mode and studio lighting. This update rollout is also staged, so if you haven't got the update notification, use any VPN app and change country to either Canada, France or Germany and you will get the update right away. So I have updated my phone. First change we are going to look at is the new About Phone section. As you can see, the UI has been completely redesigned and looks much better than the messed up stock Android About Phone section. We have device details at the top, information about phone and SIM cards under status tab, Android version is 9 Pi, build date is October 26 with November 1 security patch, and the OxygenOS version is 9.0.2. Next, the camera app version has been updated to 2.10.8 and it's the latest version even if you compare it to the Open Beta 6 build. Now it features the 60s Nightscape mode which you can find right next to the portrait mode, and whenever you hit the capture button with night mode on, I think the camera app takes multiple pictures, optimizes them to get better output. While the camera app is capturing, make sure you keep the phone steady or else you will end up with blurred pictures. And about the studio lighting, to enhance face contour, there's no specific setting in the camera app to enable or disable it, and according to OnePlus, studio lighting feature is a part of image processing applied to every photo that has human faces, and it will not affect other parts of the image except the faces. And this studio lighting gets applied automatically to photo and portrait modes. And these are the couple of pictures I have taken a while back with normal mode versus night mode, and I have mixed feelings about this night mode. Sometimes it takes better pictures with good amount of sharpness and details, but sometimes the normal pictures are way better. Next, the full screen gestures are updated. It's a minor change and there is only one addition to it, which is the full screen gesture to switch to the previous app. Now with full screen navigation bar enabled, you can do it by swiping up from bottom center of the screen to the right side. Next, they have optimized standby power consumption. For better battery results, go to Battery tab, Battery Optimization, 3-dot menu, Advanced Optimization, and here make sure Sleep Standby Optimization option is enabled. Next, now we can use the power menu to quickly activate the Assistant app. You can enable this feature by going to Settings, Buttons and Gestures and enable Quick Activate the Assistant app. Once enabled, press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds to activate the Assistant app and continue to hold it if you want to access the power menu. And about the power menu, now we can also enable the advanced reboot option here. First go to About Phone, tap multiple times on the build number to enable developer options, then go to System tab, developer options and enable advanced reboot option. Now as you can see, you can directly boot to the recovery and bootloader within the power menu itself. Next, the gallery app features a new gesture. With any photo opened, you can simply swipe down on it to get back to the gallery timeline. So overall the ROM is fluid, I did not notice any bugs till now. Fingerprint unlock is fast, there is no lag, and same applies to the face unlock. About the benchmarks, Antutu version 7 score is 2,94,374, Geekbench 4 single core score is 2394 and multi-core score is 8917. That's all for now. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon in my next video.